Hello, I'm Joseph, a student at Sad Ali's Forex for Beginners Academy. I have learned a lot in his lessons. They are simple, easy to understand. There's a group in Facebook actually where we share our ideas and our chart analysis. It's just so interesting. Sad Ali has taught me a lot about Forex actually. There's this bit of trend lines, parallel channels, market structure, support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, time frame correlation, candlestick patterns. There's a lot, really a lot you will know in his lessons. The lessons are simple, cool and easy to understand. They are very simple actually, and the most interesting part of this is that they are free. Sad Ali's lessons are free. The training is 100% free, and you will understand this. You will understand Forex. You'll be like he says, you'll be a trade queen or king if you go through his lessons. Actually, as at now, I'm really okay with Forex. I'm sure my financial status is gonna change for a whole lifetime just because of his lessons. I really thank Sad Ali. So I recommend anyone who wishes to start Forex trading to kindly join Sad Ali in his lessons. Start his training. It is very cool. You'll understand and you'll never regret it. It is totally free. Thank you.